Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export Google Calendar to Excel. Alright, now I am in a Google Calendar right now and I'm going to go ahead and export this by clicking the gear icon or settings here, and we're going to head over to import or export and then export, and there you go. So we're going to go ahead and click the export button right here, and there goes our file. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click extract here, and I'm going to go ahead and open or use this particular calendar right here. So I'm going to go ahead and right click this one and open this with Outlook Classic. Now this is very important. It's not going to work if you are going to use the new Outlook. And then go ahead and tap the import button. And now that we are here, we're going to head over to file, and then we're going to go ahead and open and export, import, export, and then we're going to export it to a file. So that file is going to be comma separated values or CSV, which is applicable, which can be opened to Excel. And then here, choose the calendar, click next, next, and then finish. Click OK, and then it's going to do its job for us. And yeah, from this point forward, we're going to look for that particular file. All right, found the file now. This is how it should look. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And there you go. Now, here are some fixes that I want you to do. I want you to head over and choose the others or the row from the top and then mark it as bold. And then we're going to go ahead and freeze it. Click view and then freeze top. Right, and once that's done, we're going to go ahead and basically highlight everything. So from here, I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm just going to double click here just so it fits everything. And yeah, that's it. Now, if say for example, you have something like this that has like a very long space, that's because there is a description there. You can hide it, you can delete it. I can delete it, for example, just so we could easily see this one. Yeah, that basically is how you're going to do it, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.